Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling a very common problem: how to recover deleted Excel files that aren't in the recycle bin. If this has ever happened to you, don't worry. I'll walk you through several methods to get your file back. If you had autosave enabled before the file was lost, Excel may have already created a backup for you. Simply reopen Excel and check the Document Recovery task pane to see if your file appears there. You can also find auto-saved files in the designated Auto Recover folder. If you haven't enabled this feature yet, it's a good idea to set it up right away to prevent future data loss. Here's how: open Excel, click on File, then click on the options. In the pop-up window, go to the Save tab. Check the box that says Save Auto Recover Information every X minutes and adjust the time interval as you like. Also, check Keep the auto-recovered version if I close without saving. Finally, choose where you'd like these files stored and click OK. Now, if your Excel file was previously saved but then deleted, you might be able to recover it using Windows Version History. Just navigate to the folder where the file was stored, right-click on the folder, and click on Properties. Select Restore Previous Versions. From there, pick the version you want to bring back. But what if none of these methods work, or your file was deleted from an external device? In that case, you'll need specialized data recovery software. A great option is Stellar Data Recovery Software. Simply select your lost Excel file and restore it. And that's it. With these methods, you'll have a solid chance of getting your deleted Excel file back, even if it's not in the recycle bin. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video. For more tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.